At first glance, the Earth might seem stable, but deep beneath our feet, it constantly bubbles and churns with energy. Volcanoes, geysers, and earthquakes are proof that our world is always in motion. In certain places, you can feel this force more intensely than anywhere else. Here are 10 destinations where you can feel the Earth breathing, shaking, and burning, where you witness the raw power of nature. Number 10. In Ethiopia's Afar Triangle, you can see the Earth literally tearing apart. Here, tectonic plates are moving apart so far that a new ocean basin is forming. The most impressive part of this region is the Danakil Depression, one of the hottest places on Earth. Here, toxic sulfur springs emit steam into the air, while the fire of the Atacama volcano fuels a permanent bubbling lava lake. This is Earth in its most rugged and unpredictable form. Number 9. San Andreas Fault in California, USA. Along the west coast of the United States runs the San Andreas Fault, one of the most active and dangerous fault lines in the world. Here, the Pacific and North American plates constantly collide, resulting in frequent earthquakes. Scientists have long warned about the big one, a massive earthquake that will one day shake California to its core. Visitors can see the fault line in several places and feel how the Earth slowly moves. Number 8. Java in Indonesia. Indonesia lies in the infamous Ring of Fire and is home to hundreds of active volcanoes. Java is home to some of the most impressive Kawah Ijen and Mount Merapi. Kawah Ijen is world famous for its bizarre blue flames created by burning sulfur gas. Mount Merapi, on the other hand, is one of the most dangerous volcanoes in the region, with regular eruptions sending lava and ash kilometers into the sky. This is a place where you can literally witness the fire of the Earth. Number 7. Mount Erebus in Antarctica. Even in the icy Antarctic, the Earth doesn't hide its fiery heart. Mount Erebus is the southernmost active volcano on Earth, and it has a permanent lava lake that has been bubbling for centuries. What makes this place even more unique are the ice caves formed by volcanic heat. Here, two extremes come together: the flames of the Earth and the eternal ice of the South Pole. Number 6. Atacama El Tatio geysers in Chile. In the driest desert in the world, the Atacama, lies the El Tatio geysers. At sunrise, these geysers shoot boiling water and steam high into the air. The thin air and extreme dryness make this one of the most otherworldly landscapes on Earth. As the Earth bubbles and steams beneath your feet, you'll feel like you're standing on another planet. Number 5. Santorini in Greece. Santorini is one of the most beautiful islands in the world, but beneath its idyllic white houses and blue rooftops lies a volcanic past. Around 1600 before Christ, one of the largest eruptions in history took place here. The explosion destroyed much of the island and caused a tsunami that nearly wiped out the Minoan civilization on Crete. Today, you can still feel the volcanic activity at the hot springs and steaming rocks of Nea Kameni. Number 4. Hawaiian Volcanoes in the USA. Hawaii is a living illustration of how volcanoes create new landmass. The Kilauea and Mauna Loa volcanoes regularly overflow with lava, causing the island to keep growing. Kilauea is one of the most active volcanoes in the world and continues to expel lava that flows into the ocean, while Mauna Loa is the largest volcano on Earth, both in volume and height from the ocean floor. Here, you can literally see how the Earth is forming and changing. Number 3. Kamchatka in Russia. Far in the east of Russia lies the Kamchatka Peninsula, one of the most volcanically active areas on Earth. With more than 300 volcanoes, 29 of which are still active, this is a place where the Earth is constantly moving. The Tolbachik volcano regularly spews lava fountains meters high into the air, while the Geyser Valley has the second largest concentration of geysers in the world. This rugged landscape shows how both destructive and beautiful the forces of Earth can be. Number 2. Iceland. Iceland is a country where the Earth never seems to stand still. Here you'll find everything: active volcanoes, boiling geysers, and vast lava fields. The famous Strokkur geyser erupts every 5 to 10 minutes, while the Eyjafjallajökull volcano famously grounded European air traffic in 2010. The Earth beneath Iceland is so active that sometimes new islands form. This is a land where you can literally feel and experience the forces of nature. At number 1 is Yellowstone, one of the most dangerous volcanic areas on Earth. This national park sits atop a massive supervolcano that caused enormous eruptions in the past. The Old Faithful Geyser, one of the most famous geysers in the world, regularly erupts, while the Grand Prismatic Spring enchants with its vibrant colours. Scientists believe that a future eruption could have catastrophic consequences for the entire continent. But until then, Yellowstone remains one of the most impressive places where the Earth shows its powers. The Earth lives, and you can experience it. Which of these natural wonders would you want to visit? Let us know in the comments.